Thanks for joining us for this portion of the Carpe Diem Progressions information series. This video will guide you through possible implementation options into your setting or situation. Many people ask how they can take the Progressions program and implement it into their existing structure. Originally, the Progressions program structure was designed for the class setting in the Carpe Diem studios. The full program includes Phase 1, which progresses into Phase 2 and then into Phase 3. These three phases are what make up the curriculum and progressional part of the Progressions program. From the curriculum portion of the Carpe Diem Progressions program, we move to our advanced class structure. Again, in the original design, clients would transition from Phase 3 into the beginning advanced level. Although there are new exercises that are introduced, the beginning advanced level is essentially an ongoing Phase 3 in terms of difficulty. The client can then advance to an intermediate advanced or an advanced level once they are physically and mentally ready to do so. As you can imagine, this structure can develop into a very significant program over time. With the Carpe Diem rollout plan, it can grow to 24 classes a week in about 5.5 months. But what if you don't want to have a program that extensive, or you want to use the Progressions course for individual training? Almost anything is possible from an individual perspective. For example, you could precisely follow the progression structure and teach a lesson each session with a client. For those that are able, you could combine 2 lessons per session, or even split a lesson in half for those that need to move a little slower. If we assume that individual and group instruction can be programmed in the same way, we can make some simple adjustments to adopt the program for a variety of situations. Let's look back at the original structure that progresses from Phase 1 through advanced levels. A general philosophy of the Progressions program is that all people have a movement learning curve based on their ability and need an evolving challenge over time. Based on typical mental and physical adaptation, we also have structured the program to ideally have the client be seen twice a week. Meeting twice a week with 10 lessons, it will take the client 5 weeks to finish each phase. This being said, we always suggest taking the time to utilize Phase 1 as your base and start with each client or class using this structure. From there, it is easy to adjust up or down. For example, Progressions Phase 2 can follow the set curriculum while Phase 3 can take on the advanced form. In this case, Phase 1 and Phase 2 would follow the curriculum as written, and Phase 3 essentially becomes your beginning advanced structure. Using this programming for over 15 years and finding it to be highly effective, we would always recommend following the set curriculum if possible, but there is plenty of flexibility to make it work for any environment, whether it be an individual or a group setting. We would love the opportunity to show you how the Progressions program can work for you. We look forward to seeing you in an upcoming Carpe Diem Progressions course. For specific questions on how the Progressions program can fit into your client or studio structure, visit our website at www.carpediemprogressions.com or give us a call at 541-684-0577.